to another video here with me at the Aspiring Home Cook. Today I'm going to show you how I make my pan-fried crumb-coated prawns. These are super delicious and make a great accompaniment to any meal. If you are a seafood lover, you're going to love the taste of these prawns and you're going to be amazed at how quick and simple it is to make them. Now, before I dive into the recipe, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. And once you do, don't forget to click that little bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's go on to the recipe. This recipe is really versatile, so you can add or reduce the spice levels to suit your liking. Get a few prawns cleaned and deveined. I'm going to link my video on how to clean prawns right here so that you can check it out. And you're going to need some salt to taste, a wedge of lime, some turmeric powder and some red chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder, which is fairly mild, and you're just going to add as much or as little as you need. You're also going to need some breadcrumbs to dredge the prawns in. In addition, you're going to need some oil to fry the prawns. I'll leave a link to the complete recipe in the description box below. Start off by sprinkling a little salt over the prawns. You're going to add salt to taste over here. Sprinkle over a little turmeric, and again sprinkle over some chili powder. You're going to squeeze some lime over this, and using clean hands toss it all together so that all the spices coat the prawns. And you're going to set this aside to marinate for about 15 minutes. After your 15 minutes have passed, you're going to take the prawns and dredge them through some breadcrumbs. You can use plain breadcrumbs or panko breadcrumbs, whatever you have available. Make sure that the prawns are nicely coated in the breadcrumbs. That will give you a nice crispy result. Now you're going to heat a pan on some medium-high heat and add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil has heated, you can now add in your prawns. Carefully place them into the hot oil. Now prawns cook really quickly and you don't want to overcook the prawns, otherwise they get rubbery. So make sure that you don't leave the pan unattended. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown crust to develop. So once the prawns have fried on one side and developed that nice crunchy golden brown crust, carefully flip them over and fry them off till they're golden brown on the second side as well. They look something like this. The entire cooking process just takes a few minutes. So as soon as you've reached a color that you're happy with, take them off the heat. Now, wasn't that a simple recipe? I like to serve this up with a few slices of onion and a wedge of lime on the side, so anyone that needs an extra hit of tartness can squeeze a little lime over their prawns once they're served. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.